Let's make some cinnamon spiced blackberry syrup. And this one has the same blackberry sugar water ratio, 1 to 1 to 1. So it'll be 8 ounces sugar, 8 ounces water, 8 ounces of blackberries. I've got a little less than that. I've got 6 ounces of blackberries, 6 ounces of water, and 6 ounces of sugar. In addition, we're going to put in some ground cinnamon. And the ground cinnamon is 1/4 teaspoon for every 8 ounces of the other ratio. So 8 ounces of water, 8 ounces of sugar, 8 ounces of blackberries. Because I only have 6 ounces, I kind of had to jimmy it a little bit. So I've got 3/12 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. And that's going in the pot as well. Now we're going to take this to the stove. Here at the stove, I'm going to put this on a medium heat and stir until it starts to simmer. I'll be right back with you. Now that the mixture is simmering, I'm going to mush them. Now that the mixture is mushed, I'm going to continue letting it simmer for another 6 to 8 minutes until the blackberries are kind of discombobulated, not dissolved, but disincorporated. I don't know, until a little bit more mushy. We'll talk to you in a bit. Now that the blackberries are the consistency that I'd like, despite the word that we used to describe them, I'm going to remove them from the heat. And I'm going to set it aside and let it cool to room temperature. And note I did stir continuously through this whole thing. In any case, we'll see in a bit. Now that my mixture is room temperature, there's only one thing left to do, and that is strain, bottle, label, and refrigerate. So I'm going to put this through my janky little setup. Or some of it, this is going to take some time. And while that's working, let's put it together a label. So we have cinnamon spiced blackberry syrup. And we have it 1 to 1 to 1, and that is made on June 7th, 2025. And there you have it, cinnamon spiced blackberry syrup. Enjoy.